Hi, Mark again from Panel Perfect. Today we have a 2015 Golf come in with a mystery dent. Customer doesn't know how it happened, but just has a nasty dent in the bonnet, so let's see what we can do. Okay, so here's the dent, as you can see. Not quite in the middle of the bonnet, but not far off. Put the light board up so you can see what's going on there. Fairly decent, sharp-ish dent, fairly deep, but I'm sure we can deal with that. Thankfully no paint damage. Okay, so this is the underside of the bonnet. It's fairly typical kind of bonnet setup. Thankfully the dent is back here. It's actually inside this little hole here, so we actually accessed it using, in the end we used quite a sharp tool, because it's if I can get in focus, there we go, because there's a bit of stretch to the metal, so we wanted to go in and try and shrink that metal down a bit. So that was the access hole, and luckily we managed to slot the tool through here, do what we had to do, and the end result is that the dent is gone. So that's great news. So golf's all done. I'm sure the customer will be extremely happy with it. It's come out really well. Tiny bit of stretch, but we managed to keep it under control. So if you get a dent and you're in the Gloucestershire area, give us a call.